Hey, what's up, guys? I want to show you this golf rangefinder here. I'm actually giving it to my father-in-law as a present, but I opened it up first and checked it out, so I just want to tell you about it. It's really cool, super easy to use right out of the box. So it does come with this nice canvas case here, soft inside. Comes with a carabiner to hook on here, so you can hook it onto whatever you want to hook it to. And then here it is out of the case. Just real quick, it also comes with a nice cloth lens cleaner, compact size. It is rechargeable, and here's the USB-C where you charge it. It does come with the charger cord, no cube, so you have to use your own cube to charge it. It has 3 different modes that it's super easy to switch between. So the first mode is just straight up a distance from point A to B. The second mode is the golf mode, which tells you the slope adjusted distance to the flag, so it accounts for any ups and downs on the course. And the third mode is like a speed type deal, so you can see the speed of like a moving car or whatever. I haven't messed with that one at all, but it is an option that you have on here. It has a nice contour on it, so rubber silicone grip there. To show you around it real quick, on top here you have the power button, which obviously turns it on and off, but it also is the one you push when you need to switch between modes. And then the other button is the one that you push when you want to change between like meters and yards. So the plastic feels durable, the grip feels really nice. So it's super easy to use it while you have them up there. So you have one finger on each button. So now I'm just gonna actually put this up to the camera and you should be able to see everything that I'm able to see looking through the lens. So I'm standing here, I'm about 17 yards away. So yeah, if you're a golfer or have a family member that's a golfer, I think you're really gonna love this either for yourself or as a gift. I definitely know my father-in-law is gonna love it.